How to fix TikTok watch history option not showing 2026. Have you ever spent an hour scrolling through TikTok, found a video you loved, and then accidentally refreshed your feed? Usually, you just check your watch history, but what do you do when that option has completely vanished from your settings? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the official 2026 location for your history and the steps to fix the glitch if the button is still missing. In 2026, TikTok moved several menu items into a new activity center to comply with updated data transparency laws. Most users think their history is gone, but it's actually just been tucked away in a different submenu. Here is how to find it and fix it. Step 1. Navigate to the new activity center. Open your TikTok profile and tap the 3-line menu in the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Instead of looking for watch history on the main list, scroll down and tap on Activity Center. This is the new hub where your watch, search, and comment histories are now stored. Step 2. Check for viewer history conflicts. In 2026, TikTok combined profile views and post views into a single viewer history toggle. If your watch history is glitching, go to Settings, Privacy, Viewers, and ensure viewer history is toggled on. Sometimes, having this turned off can cause the Activity Center to hide other history logs. Step 3. Clear the in-app cache. If the option is still not showing, go back to Settings, scroll down to free up space, and clear both your cache and downloads. This forces the app to re-download your menu configuration from TikTok's servers. Step 4. Force a version update. If you are on an older version of the app, the Activity Center might not have rolled out to you yet, but the old Watch History button may have already been deactivated. Head to the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and ensure you're on the latest 2026 build. Step 5. Use the search filter workaround. If the button is physically missing due to a bug, you can still access your history manually. Tap the search icon on your home feed, type a period or a simple keyword, and hit search. Tap the filters icon next to the search bar and toggle on watched videos. This will display your history even if the settings button is gone. Here is an expert pro tip. If you're trying to find a video from more than 180 days ago, it won't show up in the standard list. In 2026, you can go to Settings Account, download your data. Request a JSON file of your activity. This file contains a permanent text log of every video link you've ever opened, even those that have expired from your in-app history. By following these steps, you've navigated the new 2026 layout and reclaimed your watch history. If this video helped you find that lost video, hit that like button and subscribe for more updated tech guides. Did the search filter trick work for you? Let me know in the comments below.